बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू स्पेशल एजुकेशन विद आसमा यूनुस। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी एमसीक्यूज ऑन मेंटल रिटार्डेशन फॉर पीपीएससी एग्ज़ाम पार्ट 1। ठीक है, तो ये कुछ नोट्स हैं मेरी फ्रेंड के ने भी उनसे शेयर किए थे और जो पीपीएससी में सिलेक्ट हुई है। ये वो नोट्स हैं जो पढ़ के, जिनको याद करके जो है वो आ गई है। तो ये वीडियो बनाने का मकसद ये है कि इससे जो लोग पीपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो वो वो इससे मुस्तफ़ीद हो सकें, वो कुछ फ़ायदा पहुंच सके। तो पीपीएससी ट्रिक ये है कि आपने मिलते जुलते आंसर्स आपको नज़र आएंगे, लेकिन आपको जब प्रॉपर डेफिनेशंस पता होंगी मेंटल रिटार्डेशन की या बाकी सब की, तो आपको सही तरह पता चल जाएगा। तो चलें जी, मूव करते हैं पहले एमसीक्यूज़ की तरफ। हमारा ये मेरे नोट्स हैं अपने, जो मैंने बनाए हुए, मेरे अपने हाथों के बने हुए नोट्स हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, 2 मेजर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मेंटल रिटार्डेशन आर लिमिटेशन इन इंटेलेक्चुअल फंक्शनिंग एंड ए लो IQ, B limitation in adaptive behavior, C speech and language limitation, C behavior disorder. The answer is limitation in adaptive behavior. तो जब आपको मेंटल रिटार्डेशन की डेफिनेशन पता होगी तो आपको एब्सोल्युटली आंसर आता होगा कि इसका आंसर है कि लिमिटेशन इन अडेप्टिव बिहेवियर। Number 2 MCQ is people with mental retardation have significantly limitation in adaptive behavior as expressed in conceptual dash and practical adaptive skills. Number A adaptive skills, number 2 behavioral, number C social vocational, number D intellectual. The answer is social vocational. The answer is C social vocational. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. Adaptive behavior. Adaptive behavior skills require the evaluator to rely on information provided by individual who is familiar with students. A medical history, B daily activities, C intellectual, D behavior. The answer is B, that is daily activities. Now move to the next question, that is question number 3. A dash is the mental ability to recall information that has been stored for few seconds to a few hours. A long term memory, B working memory, C temporary memory, and the last one D is short term memory. And the answer is short term memory. Short term memory is the mental ability to recall information that has been stored for few seconds to a few hours. Next is question number 5. A problem solving style in which students distrust their own solutions and depend on others to guide them is called outer directedness, inner directedness, conflict resolution. The answer is outer directedness. और ये सर्कल भी हुआ है। नेक्स्ट इज significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning existing concurrently with deficits in adaptive behavior and manifested during the developmental period that adversely affect a child's educational performance is a definition of which of the following? A. Learning disabilities, B. Dyslexia, C. Anxiety disorder, and the last one is D. Mental retardation. The correct answer is mental retardation. Mental retardation is defined as significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning existing concurrently with deficit in adaptive behavior and manifested during the developmental period that adversely affect a child's educational performance. It is the definition of mental retardation, and this is the correct answer. These are all about the MCQs related to mental retardation for PPSC exam, and it's only my notes, so you can get benefit from these notes. Now we are moving towards the next question, that is about that is question number 7. It's question number 6. Now question number 7. Supports are services, resources and personal assistance for enabling a person to do which of the following: A. Develop, learn and live effectively. B. Increase academic achievement. C. Plan for transition. And the last one is D. Develop self-advocacy. The answer is A. Develop, learn and live effectively. It's answer of question number 7. Now we are moving towards question 8. Dash refers to acting as the primary causal agent in one's life and making choices and decisions regarding one's ability of life, free from undue external influence. A. Advocacy. B. Self-monitoring. C. Problem solving. D. Self-determination. The answer for this question number 8 is self-determination. Self-determination refers to the acting as primary causal agent in one's life and making choices and decisions regarding one's quality of life, free from undue external influence. Now we are moving towards question number 9. There are two categories of mental retardation: those that refers to timings and those that refers to A. Symptom, B. Type, C. Medical history, D. Environment. The answer for this question is type. There are two categories of mental retardation: those that refers to timing and those that refers to type. Now we are moving towards the last question, that is question number 10. And causes by timing include prenatal dash and postnatal. The answer is, the options are A. Prenatal, B. Postnatal, C. Perinatal, D. Perinatal. The answer for this CQ is perinatal. Prenatal, perinatal and postnatal. So ये सारे जितने भी 10 क्वेश्चंस थे, ये पीपीएससी के एग्ज़ाम से में अक्सर आते क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर आप पीपीएससी के एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये मैंने अपने नोट्स बनाए हुए हैं। कुछ मैंने ये अपनी टीचर्स के नोट्स लिए, कुछ मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड्स की जो कि सिलेक्टेड है माशाल्लाह पीपीएससी में अब एज अ टीचर वहाँ पे काम कर रही है 17 ग्रेड पे, ठीक है। उसने मुझे हेल्प आउट किए नोट्स बनाने में, तो ये मैंने सारे नोट्स आप सबके लिए बनाए हैं। अगर आपको अच्छे लगें तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम।